Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on Microsoft Surface Pro 5. To do it, go to any browser that you currently have. You should by default have Microsoft Edge, so open that. Then search for Google Chrome. So let's search here Google Chrome. Okay, that one. And now go to the Google Chrome website. Then click on download Chrome and it will download the exe file in here. You can click on that, then click on yes. Then it will start downloading the app. Now the download is complete. It will start installing. And now the app is opened right here. So I'm gonna close out of Microsoft Edge, and here is my Google Chrome. It's opening right now. And it should be ready. You can see it shows on the desktop. And I'm gonna also show you how to set it as your default browser. So to do it, click on the start button, then go to settings right here. Then go to apps, default apps, and then find web browser. Click on that, and you can set it to, for example, Google Chrome. And now Google Chrome is set as my default browser. I'm gonna just set it up, choose the search engine, I'm gonna choose Google, and it's set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.